Well, I thought I was about ready to set up the press, and then I ran into kind of a question or a hitch. This Tetra material is so thin, I decided I'd better make a little build-up for it. And so I'm going to use a little thin piece of Formica plastic. And when I print, I will put the Tetra plate on top of this plastic and give it a little bit of a rise so I can get better pressure. Still a lot of unanswered questions with this Tetra material. But first of all, I need to bevel the edges of the plastic so that they don't cause any trouble with the felts. As I said, working with this Tetra material is kind of a special case. However, anytime you're using an etching press and you're wanting to use thin material, whether it's plastic like this or a metal or something, it is helpful to have some sort of a way of increasing the pressure. But you have to watch the edges, because if it's plastic or metal, those sharp edges, if you don't bevel them, can actually damage the printing blankets that you use with most etching presses. And so we use a file. In this one I'm just using a little rasp, but we use a file, and we sometimes round the corners and make about a 45 or 60 degree angle around the edges.